Welcome back to Knowledge Truth YouTube channel, where we explore life-changing knowledge that empowers your mind and body. In today's video, we're diving into the importance of daily stretching and how it can improve your flexibility and strength. Stretching may seem simple, but when done consistently, it offers incredible benefits to your overall well-being. Let's break down how stretching every day can make a real difference in your fitness journey. 1. Increases flexibility. Daily stretching gradually increases your range of motion, making your muscles and joints more flexible. This means you'll be able to move more freely and perform exercises with better form. Flexibility also reduces stiffness and helps you feel more comfortable during daily activities, whether it's reaching, bending, or twisting. 2. Enhances muscle strength. Believe it or not, stretching can also help with muscle strength. By improving your flexibility, your muscles are better able to contract and expand. This leads to more effective workouts, as flexible muscles can work through a fuller range of motion, giving you a strength boost during exercises like squats, lunges, or even weightlifting. 3. Improves posture. A regular stretching routine helps to align your body and improve your posture. Poor posture is often caused by tight muscles, especially in the shoulders, chest, and hips. Stretching these areas opens them up, allowing you to stand taller and sit straighter, which helps prevent back and neck pain. 4. Reduces risk of injury. Stretching keeps your muscles supple and joints flexible, reducing the likelihood of strains and injuries. When your muscles are tight, they're more prone to injury during sudden movements or intense workouts. Daily stretching prepares your body, helping it to move smoothly and efficiently. 5. Relieves stress and tension. Stretching is not just about physical flexibility, it also has mental benefits. By incorporating deep breathing and mindful movements into your stretching routine, you help to reduce stress and relax the body. This can relieve tension in areas like the neck, shoulders, and lower back, which often hold stress. 6. Boosts circulation and recovery. Stretching promotes better blood circulation throughout your body, which helps deliver more oxygen to your muscles. This increased circulation speeds up muscle recovery after workouts and reduces soreness, allowing you to bounce back quicker and train more consistently. So if you want to improve your flexibility, strength, and overall health, make stretching a daily habit. Even just 10 to 15 minutes a day can yield amazing results. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge Truth YouTube channel for more practical insights on fitness and well-being. See you in the next one.